exercise number 3.6, and the topic is word problems of factors and multiples. So first of all, starting the word problems, firstly we need to understand when we have a clue of maximum, greatest, largest, bigger, we always need to find HCF by division method. Remainder will become divisor and the divisor will become dividend. The clue is, for the word problem, when we have a clue is maximum, greatest, largest, bigger, we always need to find the highest common factor by division method. Which division method? In which remainder will become divisor and divisor will become dividend. But when we have a clue is minimum, shortest, then we have a smaller, so we need to find the LCM by division method. So these two rules which will able to solve the word problem easily. Greatest, maximum, minimum, highest, largest, we always find highest common factor by division method. But when we have minimum, shorter, smaller, we always find the LCM by division method. Now I am taking some example. So how to solve this? Let's see, have a question is find the smallest number. Smallest mean LCM. And if we have value is 108, 180 and 216. So LCM by division method. Draw the line and put all the values. Let's see, when we have values are 108, 180, 216. Always start with 2. Don't 2, 3, 4. Then again 3, 4, 2. Always complete with 2, then 3, then 4. So 2, 5 times 10, 2, 4 times 8, 2, 9 times 18, 2, 0 times 0, 2, 1 times 2. When we will take, after first step, when we will take 2 digits both, put the 0. Because 2, 0 times 0, 1 minus 0, 1 on the carry, 2, 8 times 16. You can check with division, 216 divided by 2. Then 2 times 4, but this is 5, 1 on the carry, 2, 7 times 14. 2, 4 times 8, 1 on the carry, 2, 5 times 10. 2, 5 times 10 and 2, 4 times 8. Then we have 27 is not possible with 2, 45 is not possible with 2, but 54 is possible. 2 times 2, 4, 1 on the carry, 2, 7 times 14. Now all these numbers are odd and it's not possible with 2. Now go for 3. 3, 9 times 27, 3, 1 times 3, 1 on the carry, 3, 5 times 15, 3, 9 times 27. Then we have 3 times 3, 9, 3, 5 times 15, 3 times 3, 9. Then 3, 1 times 3, 5 is not possible, 1. Then 5, 1 times 5, 1 times 5 and 1 times. Now multiply all the factors. 2 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 3, multiplied by 3, multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 5. When you will multiply all these numbers, then you will get the answer is 36. You can make the pair. Let's see, 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 2 multiplied by 3, 6, 3 multiplied by 3, 9, multiplied by 5, and then you will get the answer. And the answer will be the same, and then you will get the answer 4, 6 times, then multiply 9 and then you will get the answer. And then you can multiply all these values in the same sequence. You will multiply all these values and then you will get the answer. Now I am solving another question. Let's see, question is there are 416, 364 and 312 students in a 3 class respectively. Find the maximum number of students. Maximum. It's mean highest common factor by division method. So it's mean when we have a division method, let's see values are 416, then we have 364, and then we have 312. Always take two first value. See the first two values, always. First two values. So first two values are this. Bigger value is 416 divided by 364. Now you need to divide. Draw the hurt, dividend inside the hurt and divisor outside the hurt. So 364 multiplied by 2, that will be the bigger one. So we will take with 1. 364 minus 6 minus 4, 2. Borrow from this because 1 minus 6 is not possible. 11 minus 6, 5. Now the remainder will become divisor and the previous divisor will become remainder. Now check with the 52. We will check with 52. Let's check with 6. 6 2 times 12, 1 on the carry. 6 5 times 30, 31. This is 312. Let's check with the 8. Let's check with the 8. 8 2 times 16, 1 on the carry. 8 5 times 14, 41. It's a bigger one. So let's check with 7. 7 2 times 14, 1 on the carry. 7 5 times 35 and 36. Exactly 52. 7 times 364 minus and cross. So the highest common factor of these two numbers is 52. Now you need to divide your third value with your highest common factor. Now we need to divide it 312 with 52. Now 52 times 6 is, it's directly divisible, minus and highest common factor is 52 and 52. So these are the steps for solving the word problems. Thank you.